Hello Year 5 and welcome to week 2 of Numeracy. So it's exactly as last week. You go to the White Rose website, look under Home Learning, Year 5, Summer Term, Week 2. Okay? And you're going to have 5 activities for the week. And I suggest you watch the video first before you do the activity. Now, it's a good idea to do one activity per day, and if you can start with lesson 1 on Monday and then follow it through that way. If when you're watching the video, make sure you have your pen and paper ready. There'll be times when you may be asked to do something. There's a starter activity for each film, and throughout sometimes they'll ask you to do something. So you can do it while you're watching the film, or you can pause and then go back to the film. If there's something that you're not sure about, make sure you rewind and watch the film again, and ensure that you understand the learning before you start your activity. All right? When you're doing your activity, if there's a question you're not sure about, you can refer back to the film. But challenge yourself and try and work out the answer with all the skills and knowledge that you already have. And when you have done that, then look at the answer sheet and mark your work. All right. So this week's learning, lesson 1, you are looking at rounding decimals. So when you're rounding, in the film, it's actually showing you to use a number line. So look on the film and use the number line, or on the worksheet there's some number lines too that you use to round. The other thing to remember when you're rounding is if you're rounding to the nearest unit, you need to be looking at your 10th column. If you're rounding to the nearest 10th, you need to be looking at your 100th column. And remember the rule for rounding: if you're rounding 5 and above, you round up. If the digit is 4 and below, you round down. All right? Then later on in the week, you'll be looking at percentages. And remember, when you're looking at percentages, percent actually means out of 100. Those activities you do separately and mark. Then on Thursday, I will be uploading a teacher challenge. That's the work that I'd like you to do and upload onto your home learning folder in Purple Mash, your personal home learning folder. And then myself and Miss Moon will look at your work, mark it, and you'll be able to see our comments the following week. I think that covers everything. If there's anything you're not sure about, please email myself or Miss Moon. We will do our best to help you, but I think you're going to be fine. So have a great week, keep being fantastic, and we'll catch up again soon. Bye for now.